Hey everyone, I'm Micah Kemler.
And I'm Connor Vedrodi, and we're with 43 North Realty.
And today we are at our new listing, 4218 E Klees Road in Stanton, Michigan.
Come on, let's go check it out.
Well, come on in. This property is 3-bed, 2-bath. It's a bi-level style home, and it has about 2,200 square foot.
Yeah, so it's a good size home, that's for sure. And a nice key feature of the home is the tall ceilings here on the main floor, so it really gives it a nice open concept.
Absolutely. You have 1 bedroom on the upper level, 2 bedrooms on the lower level, and you have a bathroom on each level for convenience and entertaining guests.
Absolutely. It gives you options, and that's one thing people like. One thing I think we need to talk about here is what we have outside.
Absolutely. You have a fenced-in area for livestock, different types of animals, and we got to mention that pole barn.
Yeah, 2,000 square foot pole barn, so it's a good size pole barn. And in that pole barn, you have 6-inch thick mesh reinforced concrete, so you can park your heavy equipment on it if that's what you desire.
That's awesome. And 35 acres total here, Connor. We have 15 acres of tillable farmland, so you can use that for hay, feed your livestock, or cash crop it. And you have 20 acres of woods for the nature enthusiast, hunter type of person.
Absolutely. It's the best of both worlds situation. You have it all here.
So down here on the lower level, we have a lower level bedroom, and we have a mechanical room that has 150 amp electrical service run to it. We have a whole house water filter and a water softener. And let's not forget that AC and furnace source down here.
Speaking of heat sources, we also have an additional indoor wood stove to help heat this fairly large size home that we have here. We also have the bonus room, which you could use as storage or an office space if you'd like.
That's awesome. Now that we're done here in the home, let's go check out the best part of the property, in my opinion, and that's obviously the outside and the pole barns.
Let's do it. So we've made it out to this 48 by 40 pole barn with an additional lean-to off the side, giving us a little bit more than that 2,000 square foot like we talked about earlier.
Yes, absolutely. And you have 4 different horse stables here with an additional hay mow up top or storage, whatever you choose that for.
Absolutely. And to top it all off, we have the concrete, the 6-inch mesh reinforced concrete.
Stuff like that kind of just makes sense. Okay, so that's our tour for today here at our new listing at 4218 E Klees Road in Stanton, Michigan.
Go ahead, schedule your showing today with your favorite local realtor.
And have a great rest of your day.